How to play music simultaneously on multiple phones. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can use a Spotify app if you have it for yourself. Now in here what you can do is, if you are a premium member of Spotify, you can start up a group session or a Spotify jam. If you don't know how, you can launch a Spotify app in your device. So over here you can actually create the playlist firstly, so that you and your group member can add the preferred music in the desired playlist. After that, just tap on the audio, and over here you will see such icon at the bottom near the device icon. From there, you can just tap on it and connect for a group session by tapping on the connect menu. You can share the invite link with your friends as well. If not, you can also create a Spotify jam where you can open up your Spotify app, and from the devices menu you can check for start a jam. Then again, just share the link with the group and you'll be able to play music simultaneously on multiple devices. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.